Hi there, welcome to the first video I have ever created. So today I'm going to explain why stem cell research is important for neurodegenerative diseases. But before we go deep into its importance, it is essential to understand the potential of stem cells in making a difference. So what is a stem cell? A stem cell is that young, thriving cell waiting to be promoted into a specialized cell required by our body. They can make multiple copies of themselves and are found to be of two main types, the embryonic and the somatic stem cells. Embryonic stem cells are the innermost cells of the blastocyst, which are pluripotent. This means that they can differentiate into any cells of an organism except for placenta and umbilical cord. On the other hand, somatic stem cells are multipotent, meaning they can differentiate into limited types of cells, which is essential for repairment of damaged tissues. It is because using stem cells from embryo is considered to be unethical, researchers have no better option than testing on animals. Even though animal testings are very informative, getting a validation to run clinical trials on humans at the next step is complicated because of the undeniable differences shown by the species. However, in 2006, when two scientists genetically modified some somatic stem cells, they found out that these multipotent cells transformed into something similar to embryonic stem cells. They called these cells the implemented pluripotent stem cells. This rewarding discovery meant that the research will be conducted at optimum without any cruelty towards embryo and animals. Therefore, implemented pluripotent stem cell gets all the attention for stem cell therapy as it is self-renewable and highly capable of differentiating into any cells that the researcher wants. A neurodegenerative disease, just as its name suggests, is a disease that causes irreversible degeneration of the neurons in the brain. The most common neurodegenerative disorders seen in our increasingly aging population are Alzheimer's disease and Parkinson's disease. Today, I'll be talking about Alzheimer's disease as a reference to neurodegenerative disease. Alzheimer's disease is a progressive disease that shrinks the regions of the brain responsible for memory and cognitive thinking, such as hippocampus, amygdala, neocortex, and basal forebrain. The most outstanding hypothesis that explains Alzheimer's disease is amyloid cascade hypothesis, which suggests that the abnormally high amount of amyloid beta in the brain is the reason behind a series of reactions that causes the disease. Sadly, neurodegenerative diseases only have treatments that can relieve some symptoms.